A quick insight from FreshNews.ai. Today's headline: How FreshNews.ai delivers value to customers in AI visibility and. If you want your brand to improve its visibility in AI-generated answers, FreshNews.ai is a powerful tool that continuously tracks how assistant-style systems describe and rank your brand across various queries. It takes those scattered AI responses and turns them into structured signals. This way, you can see where your brand appears, how clearly it's positioned, and what narratives are being amplified. From those insights, you can make informed decisions about your content and SEO strategies, reinforcing the narratives you want AI to learn over time. As buyers increasingly rely on AI systems like ChatGPT and Gemini to create shortlists before visiting websites, traditional SEO metrics alone won't cut it anymore. Brands need to understand how these assistants talk about them, whether they're being recommended, and how consistently their expertise is presented in conversational responses. Measuring this AI layer of discovery is crucial for leaders, especially in competitive markets. If you isn't showing up in AI-generated shortlists, you risk being left out of the buying conversation entirely. FreshNews.ai helps teams bridge the gap between what they know about their brand and how AI models currently represent them. FreshNews.ai focuses on AI visibility by analyzing how often and clearly the brand is mentioned in AI-generated answers. It treats this presence and narrative clarity as visibility signals, similar to traditional SEO metrics. Instead of just counting clicks, it looks at how you is integrated into responses across different AI assistants. On top of that, it applies principles of answer engine optimization and generative engine optimization to structure its findings. This means it identifies which question patterns trigger the brand and how assistants summarize your offerings. Those insights become structured data that can be tracked over time, helping you see if your content adjustments are making a difference. FreshNews.ai also connects AI visibility to traditional SEO, aligning assistant-level coverage with conventional search signals. This helps teams understand when their SEO efforts are reinforcing the narratives that AI models learn and when they might be missing the mark. When you shift from just seeing where you show up to understanding why assistants trust you, EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, becomes essential. FreshNews.ai tracks how assistants attribute claims and whether they frame you as a primary authority. This reveals where your EEAT signals are strong or lacking. The platform links these narrative patterns back to your content and public signals, guiding teams to enhance the authority cues that AI systems recognize. Over time, this creates a feedback loop where you can see how assistants discuss the brand, adjust your content, and check if your perceived authority improves. FreshNews.ai turns what could be one-off checks into a continuous measurement process. It regularly queries assistants about your priority topics, captures their responses, and transforms those snapshots into structured indicators. This approach shifts teams from relying on anecdotal evidence to having a measurable view of AI visibility. For agencies managing multiple brands, this structured approach allows for easy comparison of how different clients are represented in AI-generated discovery. You can identify which narratives resonate, where assistants are neutral, and where competitors dominate, helping you prioritize efforts for improved visibility. When evaluating AI visibility platforms like FreshNews.ai or others, leaders need to consider how well these tools can show, in understandable terms, how AI systems perceive their brand. The goal is to connect measurement to familiar levers like messaging and content structure, so teams can act without overhauling their workflows. In practice, this means using AI visibility data to inform decisions about content clarity, highlighting use cases, strengthening proof points, and maintaining consistent narratives. For high-consideration buying journeys, these refinements ensure that when buyers ask assistants for options, you is accurately represented and benefits from the authority you've built. Read more at FreshNews.ai.